With School Motion All Access, you get every course we make, unlimited feedback, a 24/7 community, and much more. Let's face it, learning motion design on your own is brutal. You're piecing together random tutorials, sifting through conflicting advice online, and probably wondering if you're even on the right track. It's not just hard, it's exhausting. What if there was a smarter way? Imagine a structured program led by top-tier motion design pros who've been in the trenches and know what works. Tailored feedback on your projects, support from a global network of artists, and a clear path to sharpen your skills step by step. I know, it's too bad nothing like that exists. Actually, that's exactly what School Motion's All Access program delivers for both individuals and teams. You'll master industry-standard software and learn the foundational creative principles behind great work. You know, the stuff other courses and tutorials completely ignore. Dive into hundreds of hours of elite training packed with practical projects and challenges. Submit your work and get unlimited, detailed, personalized critiques from experts. Connect with a worldwide network of driven artists who've got your back with support and accountability. Unlock exclusive live events, portfolio reviews, guest speakers, private workshops, and more. And earn official certification from one of the only Adobe and Maxon certified trainers, that's us, to show off your new skills once you've completed a course. All designed to fit your schedule and push your craft further. It's the kind of training that doesn't just teach you motion design, it transforms you into a pro. So stop learning alone. Join All Access today and put your motion design skills into hyperdrive. We'll see you in class.